what about the crypto tax law announced in Budget 2022? Of course, yes. I know, but there are many questions around the taxation of crypto since the Budget 2022 day. Don't worry, we are here to clear all your queries of the new income tax variant in the form of crypto taxation. Here, I will answer top 20 frequently asked questions about taxation of crypto that is necessary for every person to understand. So make sure that you watch the video till the end to know everything about the new law and clear all your doubts. Hello and welcome. I'm Jyoti Arora, tax expert at Clear. We are India's largest tax and financial services platform for individuals. To support us, subscribe to our channel to see all the taxation and finance related videos. So let's begin. First question, when is the new crypto tax rule applicable from? So the crypto income will be taxed effective from 1st of April 2022, which means taxpayers need to think about payment of advance taxes for financial year 2022-2023. So the next question is, what should taxpayers do about crypto income for the previous year, that is financial year 2021-2022? Now, as we know that as per Finance Bill, the new law on virtual digital asset will become applicable from 1st of April 2022. That is for year 2022-2023. But right now there is no clarity that under which and how the income for the financial year 2021-22 should be taxed. If the need arises, then the department may issue clarification in this regard, and we will keep you all updated when we get more clarity in this matter. However, you still must pay taxes on the gains earned even in the financial year 2021-2022. We strongly advise you to deliberate on whether and how you need to pay taxes and consult a tax expert at Clear Tax to arrive at your decision. What is the rate at which income from crypto will be taxed? The new law provides that income from crypto should be taxed at highest slab, that is 30% flat rate. Yes, irrespective under which tax slab you fall, income from virtual digital assets such as cryptocurrency will be taxable at 30% only. Question 4. What if there is other income along with crypto? How to calculate the tax? Now, if your income includes income from transfer of crypto, you should first calculate tax at 30% on such crypto income. And for the income other than crypto, the tax rate applicable to such income will be levied. For example, suppose your total income includes a crypto income of rupees 30,000 and income from salary and other sources of rupees 7 lakh. So first you have to calculate tax at 30% on 30,000, which will be rupees 9,000, and next, as you know that salary income is taxable as per individual tax rate, you have to calculate tax on rupees 7 lakhs according to the tax rates applicable to the individual. Can I claim expenditures from my crypto income? No. Sadly, you cannot claim any expenditures except the cost of acquisition from your crypto income. Suppose you have incurred any cost, say for example any crypto exchange fees or interest expense on earning such income, but none of these shall be allowed for deduction. For example, if you have bought Bitcoin, say for example rupees 100 and sold it for 200 and incurred rupees 20 as expenses, but still you will have to pay tax at 30% on the sale value less cost, that is 200 minus 100, that is 30% on rupees 100. You won't get any deduction for any expenditure here. Next, can I set off loss from crypto with any other income? Again, no. You cannot claim loss of cryptocurrency from any other income. Now suppose you have transacted in multiple cryptocurrencies, then you might have a question that whether loss from one coin to another coin shall be allowed. Now this is a grey area and we believe that such set off must be allowed, as they have not mentioned that it is not allowed clearly, but still we will wait for more clarity from the government in this matter. Now, the way the law has been worded, it shows that the government intends to link such income to that from gambling, horse racing, crosswords or lotteries. In such income, no loss set-off is allowed and a flat rate of 30% tax is levied. More clarity is required in this matter. We will keep you posted if any such clarity is gained. Stay tuned with us. Next question is, can such losses be carried forward for set-off? No carry forward of loss shall be allowed. This has been clearly stated in the law that you cannot carry forward such loss. This means if you have lost in one financial year, it cannot be carried forward to the next for set off against gains in the next year. Now, I am an individual who holds crypto. How does it affect me? So, individuals are covered under the new tax laws. You will have to pay tax on your crypto gains when you transfer or sell these virtual digital assets. Not only this, you will require to deduct TDS before giving consideration to anyone for purchase or receipt of the crypto or the virtual digital assets. I am a business who invests a part of cash proceedings in Bitcoin. How will I get affected? So, as long as you do not sell your holdings, you do not have to pay tax on them. Also note that the Indian law requires that all companies must disclose their cryptocurrency holdings in their financial statements. So do report them in your ITR. Next, you have made crypto sales for last 5 years but have not reported capital gains income against it. What should you do? Now, this is a tricky situation. The Income Tax Department clarified in Budget 2022 that income from sale of crypto is taxable, even though that the precise rate of tax is applicable from 1st of April 2022, you must pay tax on income earned before that. We urge you to consult a tax expert at ClearTax and consider paying tax on your gains. Hope you are finding this interesting and knowledgeable. If yes, then please type clear in the comment section below. So there are certain DeFi, that is decentralized finance scenarios, that are held with cryptocurrencies. How will those be treated? Now, interest income or other passive income generated from activities like staking, lending, borrowing cryptos, etc. may be reported as income from other sources where tax is applicable according to the individual slab rate of the taxpayer. The budget has not advised any other type of income such as income from staking, mining, lending and borrowing of cryptos. In such a scenario, the tax advice would be different for different category of income. So we advise you to take the help from an expert. Next, what happens when I transfer coins between my personal wallets? Now, there will be no tax if the transfer is being made from one wallet to another of a same person, since the digital asset has not been transferred from one person to another. How will airdrops be taxed? If you're not aware, then airdrops means coins or token which are sent to a variety of wallet addresses free of charge. Surprised? Yes, they are dropped in the user's wallet for free, which is a great way for crypto startups to get noticed. The main aim of airdrop is to create value and awareness about a newly launched token. Now, the taxation of about these scenarios have not been covered in the budget documents. So, airdrops may be considered as gifts within the construct of Income Tax Act, and such gifts are taxable. Like when the value exceeds rupees 50,000 in one financial year, then the entire value of gift becomes taxable in the hands of the recipient. Next, what happens when I buy a crypto outside of an exchange through P2P, that is peer-to-peer transfer? Now, whether wallet to wallet and P2P transfers will be considered as a transfer within the Act will depend on how transfers are defined. However, for now, it would be reasonable to assume that these transactions are taxable when a gain has been obtained. In this case, there will be no tax payable at the time of purchase of crypto, but the seller will have to pay tax at 30% in the year of sale. Also, advance tax implication will arise and the buyer will have to deduct TDS at 1% before making the payment to the seller. Next question is, how will my earnings through games be taxed? Let's say I won few coins by playing games on some blockchain. In this scenario, two taxable events will arise. The first taxable event will be when you receive such coins from winning a game. 30% tax will be levied on the market value of the coins at the time you win such coins. Here, the cost of acquisition of the coins would be nil as they are received without any charge, so you will have to pay tax on the full market value of such received coins. The next taxable event will arise when such coins are sold or transferred by you. Again, 30% tax will be levied, but here you will be allowed to deduct cost of acquisition at this point. So what will be the cost of acquisition in this case? It will be the market value on which you paid tax at the time of winning of such game or lottery. TDS and advance tax will also apply in these scenarios. I am 15 and trading crypto. How do I pay taxes? If I don't, does my dad get into any trouble? anyone can get a PAN and report their income and pay taxes. Even minors can. Income which is earned by one's own skill or knowledge is not clubbed and is reported in an individual's own return. So you should prepare to pay taxes and file your own income tax returns, boy. I bought Bitcoin in 2015 and I don't have details on cost of purchase as the exchange I bought through is now defunct. If I sell crypto this year, how will I report it? Now, it is advisable to pay tax on the gains made. Historic prices of Bitcoin can be sourced to arrive at the amount of gains made by you. If you feel that this is complicated, you can get in touch with an expert who may help you. Next is, I bought Bitcoin in Binance or Coinbase long time back and now I'm transferring it to Indian exchanges. How will I calculate my cost of purchase? Should I use dollar value? I do not have any transaction statements from Binance or Coinbase. Although there is no specific guideline in this aspect in budget documents, but logically you should convert your dollar value of purchase into Indian rupees using SBI rates for conversion from USD to INR. Next, I am a business who accepts crypto for sales of goods and services. How does it affect me? Now, the government has not clearly defined the situation where crypto is accepted in place of currency. In fact, the government has been clarifying that the virtual digital assets are not currencies. Therefore, payment of goods and services via crypto will qualify as a transfer of crypto. First, let's see the tax implication for transferor or seller. Now, because the transfer has taken place, 30% tax will have to be paid by the seller in that year. However, the buyer will also deduct 1% TDS, which the seller can claim as tax credit at the time of payment of annual tax liability. Also, advance tax liability will come into play for the seller or transferor, so do not forget to pay that before the due date. On the other hand, businesses accepting such crypto will have to pay tax according to income from business and profession provisions. For this, they will have to report the FMV of the crypto as consideration towards providing such goods and services. When the business sells these cryptos or transfers them in any manner, again an event of transfer of crypto will take place and tax will have to be paid on that transfer amount. Though we need some more clarity from government in this regard, we will keep you updated if and any clarity received in this matter. Next is where to report crypto income in your ITR. Now, Income Tax Department has clarified that these assets as virtual digital asset in their Finance Bill 2022. However, no clarification is yet offered for reporting these in your ITR. We may consider to report them under income from other sources till any further clarification is received. Also, you can get in touch with an expert to know more about this. So folks, I have answered the top 20 frequently asked questions regarding crypto taxation. If there is any query related to crypto or income tax, please comment below. We'll reply to it as soon as we can. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching it. Stay tuned for more updates. Take care and goodbye.